Once, there was a demon king named Hiranyaksha. He was full of arrogance and believed he was unstoppable. In his quest for power, he decided to conquer the entire universe. His evil actions caused chaos everywhere, and he even dragged the earth, who was personified as the goddess Bhudevi, to the bottom of the cosmic ocean. His intention was to drown her, plunging the earth into darkness and despair. The earth, in her deep distress, cried out for help. Hearing her plea, Lord Vishnu, who is the protector of the universe, decided to step in. To save the earth, he took the form of Varaha, a giant boar. This avatar of Vishnu was enormous, with a body as big as a mountain and tusks that were sharp and strong. Varaha, the giant boar, dived into the cosmic ocean. He swam through the waters with great power, determined to rescue Bhudevi. When he reached the bottom of the ocean, he found the earth trapped by Hiranyaksha. With his mighty tusks, Varaha gently lifted the earth and placed her on his snout, ready to bring her back to her rightful place in the universe. But Hiranyaksha was furious that Vishnu had interfered. He challenged Varaha to a battle. The fight between the demon and the divine boar was intense and lasted for a long time, shaking the very foundation of the universe. In the end, Varaha defeated Hiranyaksha with a powerful blow from his tusk. With the demon gone, Varaha emerged from the ocean, carrying the earth safely on his tusk. He placed Bhudevi back in her orbit, restoring the balance to the universe. The gods and sages celebrated this victory, praising Lord Vishnu for saving the earth and protecting the cosmic order. This story reminds us of the ongoing theme in Hindu mythology, where divine beings like Vishnu take on different forms to protect the universe from chaos and destruction, ensuring that good always triumphs over evil.